x plus y is equal to 7 and xy is equal to 3. What is the value of x minus y? Pause this video and see if you can solve this on your own. Okay, I assume you've done it. Okay, so most common way the students will do when they approach this kind of question is try to isolate y. 7 is equal to y is equal to 7 minus x, or isolating the x is equal to 7 minus y and try plug it in and solve. If you've done it, you probably took a long time, and if you try to do it, you probably get confused and you get complex numbers, and it's gonna take a long time. It might work, but it's gonna take a long time. And if you're under pressure, say if you face this question in like SATs and you're in a hurry and you don't have much time left, I don't suggest you to do that way when you approach this kind of question. So what I suggest as a way, you might know it, you might not know this way. Okay, I want you to first remember the rule of perfect square trinomials. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is that I'm going to square x plus y. I'm gonna square this. Okay, I'm gonna square this, and that's gonna give me 49, because x plus y is 7 and 7 squared is equal to 49. Okay, and I'm gonna try to break this down. Okay, as you know, remember your formula. Your formula is x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, and that's gonna give you 49, right? Same thing, because it's just broken down. And yes, okay, so back to the question. Xy, they gave us the value of xy is equal to 3. Okay, so when you've broken down the perfect square trinomial, here we have an xy, right? Since xy is equal to 3, we can multiply that by 2. 2xy, in other words, 2 times 3 will give you 6, right? Okay, makes sense. Okay, so now we have 2xy is equal to 6. And then, since you have this part of the expression given, or like you know this part of the expression, which is 6, and the whole expression is equal to 49. So I want to ask you, what is the value of x squared plus y squared? Okay, so what you're gonna do, simple math, just 49 subtract 6, you're gonna get 43, right? Okay, so 43 is gonna be the value of x squared plus y squared. Makes sense, right? 43. Okay, so now I have both values of 2xy and x plus y squared. Now, let's go to the main question. What is the value of x x minus y? Okay, so back to the rule of perfect square trinomials. X minus y squared is going to give you same expression, okay, but just subtraction. Okay, so x squared minus y squared plus y squared minus 2xy. Okay, now remember we got the values of 2xy and x squared plus y squared. What are you gonna do? Simple math. Okay, logic speaking. You're just gonna take those both and plug it in. Plug it in. 43 minus 6. that'll give you 37. So this whole expression, okay, this whole expression is equal to 37. Okay, so are we done? No. Remember the question, they want the value of x minus y. And how are you going to isolate this? You're just going to take the square root of both sides. Okay, so you're going to take the square root of both sides and x minus y, you're going to get positive or negative square root of 37. And that is your answer. Now we're done. This is our answer. There you go. So it's pretty easy. You can this video might took me like 6 minutes, but if you solve it on your own, it actually really takes much less time. And since I'm explaining and writing and solving at the same time, of course it took me long. But I can guarantee you that this method will be much faster than, you know, isolating and plugging in. So yes, I hope you learned something, and hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Goodbye.